Yo, what's up? Doing a little June recap. And yeah, June was a little bit profitable. Not much, but yeah, nice to see. After commissions, $14.73. So yeah, uh, mainly focused on shorting. So covering this mainly here first red days. And yeah, the risk was almost on every trade $20. And yeah, the best trades are basically risk to reward. The best trade was 1.54. So when risking $20, I made on this trade $30.81. So that was the best trade. And yeah, the worst trade is minus 0.66. So yeah, it's less than the highest winning trade. So that was good. And yeah, let's take a look at MVIS. This was first red day short on this day here, June 9th. And basically it hit a high here of in the $8 range. And on this day, I entered here in the 70s after it spiked and failed under VWAP. And yeah, covered here at 6.99. It did drop below that in the afternoon, but yeah, nice trade. And gotta be very cautious shorting stocks because you never know when the short squeeze can happen. So yeah. After that, the stock did go down, lower and also did an offering or something because yeah, it did the gap down and yeah, hit $4. But yeah, that was a nice trade. And yeah, basically this is the pattern. It spikes and looking for the first red day. So yeah, that is was a nice trade. Risking $20 to make 30. So let's take a look at the second one, SOFI. So basically this is two trades on the same day. So the first trade was a loss and the second trade was then a winner, the 14th. So basically the same pattern here, spikes big from the $4 range to $10. And yeah, 14th it had here a first red day. And yeah, as you can see, it did went back up. So it was not a huge trade, but yes, was a little one. So let's see. So hitting new highs here in the morning. And yeah, I first entered the first trade in the 980s. And yeah, I did cover then at $10 because my risk was yeah basically at 10.20. It did hit 10.23. So yeah, but yeah, I cut it the first trade because you know it could have spiked more. So definitely the right choice here. So then I waited for a fail. So it did go below VWAP. This is a white line. And yeah, the second trade I entered then almost the same price. But yeah, it did a nice panic in the afternoon where I covered in the 930s. And yeah, it did spike back up. But yeah, it was after the loss in the morning, after the spike, was a nice trade to cover the losses. And yeah, it was a nice trade. And yeah, as you can see, the stock did It's holding up right now a little bit, so could have a breakdown here, or maybe can go higher again, because the overall market is all year bullish so far since January. So not the very best shorting environment right now, but yeah, did find a working setup for now. And yeah, so I'm recording this on July 10th. And yeah, in July I got a little bit smoked so far on the short side, but yeah, that's for the next recap. So the last trade was also that I want to cover here is AAOI. Also a nice winning trade. Basically almost making 1.0 risk to reward, so 19 bucks when risking 20. So 21st. And yeah, this is the chart right now. So yeah, I got smoked in the last few days. But yeah, the trade I want to cover here is here on the 21st. So very nice first red day, very nice second red day, and then it did spike back up. So let's take a look at 21st. So has climbing here, hitting a high 568, and then here on the 21st did already get down. So I entered here at 470s, was below VWAP, did go lower, came back to VWAP, to the white line, as you can see here. So yeah, my risk was basically on red-green here or so, 520s. So not in danger. And did nicely fail then. So I covered here in 430 or so, somewhere here. So yeah, did go lower the next day, 360s almost. So nice panic, but I didn't trade it here, only this little one. And yeah, this stock is climbing higher right now. So shorts are getting smoked, myself included, but yeah. Still beginning trades here, learning, keeping small size just in case, as you can see here. Just nice morning spikes here, then failing, but yeah, overall trend is higher. And yeah, the other trades this month were not really big or mentionable. Basically, little trades on the OTCs. One trade, take a look at the first green day on the 21st. Did gap up where I didn't sell. And yeah, I cut this for a small loss. And also farm was a nice EP. So yeah, big gap up here, enter it at 315 somewhere. And yeah, I sold it at 330 or so. So yeah, still holding up, but not really great so far. Yeah, this was for June. Let me know in the comments what you have traded or if you have ideas. You can follow me on Twitter in the comments below. And yeah, see you soon. Thanks for watching.